Not many people have ever seen superheroes. Even fewer believe in them. But for Alex Tricaro, seeing is believing.
Did I ever tell you that I used to be a superhero? You believe in superheroes?
What?
You believe in superheroes, right?
Superheroes.
Yeah.
No.
Why not? Even just look at the news.
Cap.
Stop harassing the doc. Let him enjoy his drink.
So you save lives, and I guess that means that you're a superhero as well.
No. That actually means I'm a veterinarian. Why does he call you Captain?
Captain Morpho, actually.
Sorry.
Captain Morpho.
Get him started.
Well, you see, I have this special talent. It only happens with Hiccup.
Cap.
Come on.
I want to hear this. This is going to be me.
Decades ago, I was at this stage, and it wasn't quite divided. There was this ventriloquist.
What are you talking about?
Oh, Takara. Ask a lot of questions.
I don't understand.
Another time, I saved a man's life, actually. It happened by accident, really, but the weather turned nice. And then...
You're a circus.
No. I told you. I'm a superhero. That was a close one. Sometimes I can't control it, but it's the right place at the right time. Okay, now get this. One time I stopped a baby from crying, and one time I really put one over on my arch nemesis, Dr. Platypus. Time flies when you're a clown. And this one time I changed into a chicken, and that's how.
Okay, you know what? That's it. I'm done. Captain Crazy, I'm done. Hey, you're a fool. It's Captain Morpho.
Heroes are all around you. Sometimes it's the little saves that can make life good.